What is up, everybody? So today we're actually going to be doing another fishing video. I got a few fishing poles right there, 2 of them, and then I got this one from Placino. I got jigs this time. We're going to see how well that works in this pond. I actually made these custom jigs. I got two of them on this fishing poles. I made these, and if you guys want to see some videos where I show you guys how to make these jigs, I'll do that, and comment down below. So we actually have really good lighting right now. We're going to take this off, and I'll show you the jig on this one that we got. Here it is right here. This is actually animal fur from like different tails of like raccoons and coyotes and things, and you just dye their hair with like hair dye, and then you get a certain type of string, kind of like yarn string, and you put it in kind of like a vise. I don't remember what the tool's called, but I have it, and it's like a vise, and you just put it around here until you get to this little hook thing right there, and then you stop. On this one I went a little bit over, but this one was my first one. And then I put a little bit of this red stuff on there. I bought it from the store. I don't know exactly what it's called, but the white stuff and the yellow stuff is actually animal fur, is what I've used on that. And then you just paint these on there, paint a little like eyeball on there, and paint the rest of it white. And this is has a weight on it, so it'll sink to the bottom, and you just kind of jerk it around and on like creeks and different things. But we're gonna try to catch something in this pond with it, and then I got a bunch of others I'll show you guys here in a second. We're gonna do the first cast with this and see if we can't get nothing. This thing has a lot more weight, so it's easier to cast because this thing casts really smooth. We're gonna have to tighten up our drag. Oh, we got a fish. There he is. Oh yeah, boys, we caught us a bass. Let's go. Hey, look at that, guys. We caught us a bass. Let's go. On that little jig. Man, he was barely on there. Oh, I'm glad we got him. Look at that. Man, that's the first bass of the summer. Let's go. Look at that guy. Man, that's a nice little bass. He's probably 2 pounds better. That's a nice bass. We'll put him in this bucket right here. We'll fill this thing up with water. I'll set him in here for now. But we'll come down here and get some water. This is what we got right here. This ought to be good because they like that shiny, sparkly stuff. That ought to be good. Red and orange and a little bit of black, and there's some pink holding that one together. So that ought to be good. We'll turn some light on now. So there's better lighting. We're hung up. Okay. Just cast this out here just a little bit. Shoot, terrible cast. Okay, I'm gonna have to push this boat in. Now then, since I don't have a paddle, we're gonna cast this over there and hopefully pull the boat. Oh my, there we go. Flip them up in here, let's go. There's another one. Number 2. Alright, get out of here. Look at that. Oh shoot, you guys weren't even on video. There we go. He choked that one. There we go. Look at that guy. Pretty good bass. Hey now, Nelly. Hey, I'll go put you in the bucket. That's what I'll do with you. We're not even that far out. I'll just go put you in the bucket. Would you quit moving? Oh, so now we start moving. Here we go. I think we're gonna have a catch and cook for some bass. So first we're going to, this is one of the bass right here. We're going to scale it, or we're just gonna skin it and then we're gonna fillet it. We're gonna get up underneath these gills and we're just gonna. So now I got the fish in this bowl. It's all cleaned up, and then we got this fish fry breading right here. We put it in here. We're gonna put some frosted flakes in there, give it some more flavoring, and then we got the pan over here since we don't have the deep fryer, and it has some canola oil. Some frosted flakes. Probably enough. Close the bag up. I think that'll be good enough. Now we got this mixed up, we're gonna put some of the fish in here. Zip the bag up. Now the oil's hot enough, I'm going to take that out, lay it down in there, then we'll get the next one. Now we're going to take them out and put them on this plate. Uh-oh. Leave that there. We'll let it cool down. Now I got the fish cooked right here. You guys can see it. Got some tartar sauce. We're gonna try it. The breading didn't stay on very well, but what it is, it's just a fish breading mix, and I put frosted flakes in there and I crushed them up. And we're gonna try this. I don't even know why I have a fork, but it's still really hot. Don't look like it has bones in it, but that's what it is. That bite tasted a lot like tartar sauce, so we're just gonna try it without it. It has like a fish taste, but then it has like a really sweet taste. Like, it's really good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you guys like more videos like this, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me if you guys want me to do a video again with some more fishing, where I get some more bass, or I go catfishing, or I show you guys how to make some lures.